Si Kalabaw at si Tagak. Tanghaling araw, tapos na ang gawain ni Kalabaw sa bukid. Nagpunta siya sa tubugang putik at dito siya naglunoy. Pagkatapos, sumilong siya sa lilim ng punong mangga. Hindi nagtagal, nakatulog si Kalabaw. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Tanghaling tapat means like noon, like 12 o'clock. Noon.
12
It's
o'clock.
in between morning and afternoon. Mainit,
AM and
mainit
PM.
ang sikat ng araw. Like this is summer.
Like
right?
this.
The job of Carabao is the name. Carabao. The Carabao, the name is in the rice field. The Carabao went to the like a muddy puddle and submerged there. After that,
he went.
Kalabaw went to under the shade of that mango tree. Then the Kalabaw fell asleep. Matagal na nakatulog si Kalabaw. Nagising lamang siya nang maramdaman niya ang sakit at katinang kagat ng mga lamok. So, it took long time to
sleep.
He fell asleep for
a
long
time.
Then,
when he woke up,
just because he felt the bite, the bit of
mosquito.
It's hurting him.
And itchy.
Ayan na naman kayo, wika ni Kalabaw. Bakit ba ako na lamang nang ako ang alaga ninyong kagatin? Ang sakit at katipan naman ninyong kumagat. Hala, alis kayo sa likod ko. So, there you go again. Kalabaw said, why me? You always biting me. Why you love to bite me? It hurts. It's hurting me and it's itchy.
Too.
Go away. Go away from my back.
Go away.
Ayaw namin. Hindi kami alis sa likod mo. Kay sarap-sarap mo kagatin. Malaki at malaman ang inyong katawan. Wika ng mga lamok. So, can you translate?
We don't like to go out of your back. Because
because it's so delicious to beat you.
bite you. It's because
to bite you.
Because
many fat in
you're big and
you're big
you
and
have
fat.
many muscles. The mosquito said. At lalong dumami ang lamok na dumapo at kumagat sa likod at batok ni Kalabaw. Hinampas ni Kalabaw ang kanyang buntot. Kalabaw ng kanyang buntot ang mga lamok. Ngunit, nagpalipat-lipat lamang ang mga ito ng lugar sa likod at batok ni Kalabaw na di abot ng hampas ng buntot. Inis na inis sa mga lamok si Kalabaw. Ngunit, wala siyang magawa. Okay, translate. So, but what happened was, there are many mosquitoes coming, biting him. Biting him. At the back.
And at the... What's back?
But what the Kalabaw did is, he beat the mosquitoes with his tail. But only what he can. But other parts of his body cannot. But what happened is the mosquitoes just only transferring from one place to another, just beating him in other parts like that. So si Kalabaw is so annoyed. Cannot do anything. Siyang pagdating ni Tagak, naawa siya kay Kalabaw. So the Huron came and the Tagak is the Huron. Tagak got pity on Kalabaw.
Pity.
Nakakaawa ka naman, wika ni Tagak. Tutulungan kita. pagtutukukain ko ang mga pesting lamok sa ito. It's typographical error. So, translate. So, I have pity on you. Tagak said to Kalabaw. I'll help you. I will
eat
eat the
The-
pest, the mosquito
on your
on you.
body.
Salamat, Tagak. Kay buti mo, wika ni Kalabaw. Thank you, Tagak. You're so good, Kalabaw said. Inisa-isa ni Tagak na pagtutukain ko at dumadapo pa sa katawan ni Kalabaw. Naubos ang mga lamok. So, what happened? So, Tagak, one by
The
one,
heron ate one
is
by
eating
one.
the mosquitoes on Kalabaw. And left. All were eaten. Ayan, Kalabaw, wika ni Tagak. Naubos ko ng tukain ang mga lamok sa iyong batok at likod. There, Tagak said.
I finished
all mosquitoes
at your
at
back.
your back.
What is
Kay ginhawa na nga ng pakiramdam ko. Salamat na muli sa iyo, Tagak. Wika ni Kalabaw. Magmula ngayon, makakasakay ka na sa aking likod. So, it feels better. Thank you again, Tagak. Kalabaw said. From now on, you can ride at on my back. Lumipas ang mga araw, naging mabuting magkaibigan si Tagak at si Kalabaw. Ang mga lamok na dumadapo sa likod ni Kalabaw ay kanyang tinutuka, kaya libre naman sa likod ng Kalabaw. Translate. So, days
days in the
Pass.
past?
they became friends.
They became good friends.
Yes, good friends. So, all the mosquitoes coming to Kalabaw, Tagak's eating it.
The heron is eating it.
That's why, but as a return, it's free to ride the car of Kalabaw. So, Tagak is, has a free ride. Okay, next. Minsan, umulan ng malakas. Nasa likod ni Kalabaw si Tagak. Translate.
Sometimes it's raining hard, and
Kalabaw.
the
Tagak.
heron is
Tagak is
the back of the Kalabaw.
Tagak, dito ka sumilong
Sa ilalim
ko.
We can
Wika ni Kalabaw sa kaibigan. Malapat ang katawan ko at hindi ka mababaslit.
Heron, go here at
Under my
Under me.
Under me.
Kalabaw
because
to his
I have
friend.
a white body.
I have a wide body.
White body.
And you cannot be wet. O, basahin mo.
Salamat, Kalabaw. Kakaibuti mo. Isa kang mabuting kaibigan. Wika ni Tagak.
O, let's translate. Thank you,
Thank you,
Kalabaw.
Kalabaw.
Thank you, Kalabaw. You're so
Kalabaw.
good.
You're so good.
You're a good friend.
You're a good friend.
Tagak
So
said.
Tagak said.
Read.
Ang mabuting magkaibigan ay nagtutulungan sa lahat ng araw at sa wika ni Kalabaw.
Okay, good friends are helping each other
In
in
every
every day and any
where Kalabaw said.
Okay.
The
So what
end.
so the ang pala ni Kalabaw ay pinapasakay ng libre at saka kapag umuulan pinapasilong sa ilalim niya si Tagak. Okay.
Bye-bye for watching.